Alright, we have a box of 12, 13 Panini past and present. I actually have 3 of these that I'll be opening, but this will be box number 1. Let's see what we get. You get 8 packs in this box, 10 cards per pack. I got this box really cheap, about a third of the price. It should retail around 20. I've got it, I think, for less than $7. These are some nice cards. They have the old school look to them. Need Archibald. And there's a rookie of Jonas. Kyle Singler rookie. Of course, the main rookie you want to pull out of here is Kyrie Irving. Here's Jeremy Pargo. Fab Mello, Jimmer Fredette, there are some nice jerseys and rookies that you can pull out of these boxes as well. Much harder to do in the blaster boxes though, than of course the ones you would get in the hobby boxes. John Vesley rookie, Darius Morris, and here's a Rise and Shine of Darren Williams insert card. Looks like we might have another insert in here. Vince Carter, Dominique Wilkins, that's unsold again. Alec Burks, Chris Copeland, and this is a really nice Kobe Bryant. I'm not sure what the insert is called, but it's a nice Treads. It's a nice card. Manute Bol. So Kobe is a really nice pull right now. Nice insert. Evan Fournier, Bradley Beal. Brandon Knight rookie. And the last pack. Austin Rivers rookie. So like I said, you're gonna get a lot of rookies. The insert we got, that was, yeah, 2 inserts, Darren Williams Rise and Shine. But the nicest card we pulled was the Kobe Bryant insert. I said I have 2 more boxes to open, and I will be opening those next time.